In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart in PowerPoint, a simple yet efficient way to visually manage project timelines. Whether you're working on a group project or just organizing your tasks, a Gantt chart is a great tool to help you visualize tasks and deadlines. Let's begin by launching Microsoft PowerPoint. To do this, click on the Windows icon at the bottom left side of your screen. In the menu that appears, search for Microsoft PowerPoint and click to open it. Once PowerPoint is up and running, you'll need to decide whether to work with an existing presentation or start fresh with a new one. If you're going with a new presentation, add any photos, tables, or other relevant content that might complement the Gantt chart. This foundational step ensures that your presentation is ready to integrate your project timeline seamlessly. Next, head over to the Insert tab in the PowerPoint toolbar. This tab is your gateway to adding dynamic elements to your slides, and from here, you'll want to look for the Chart option. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a variety of chart types. For a Gantt chart, you'll select Bar, then go ahead and choose the Stacked Bar option. This style will give you the layered visual effect necessary for a Gantt chart. When you select the chart, PowerPoint will automatically open an Excel sheet with placeholder data. This is where the magic happens. Replace the Excel placeholder data with your specific project information, making sure to include task names, their respective start dates, and how long each task is expected to take. Being precise with this data is crucial. It's what makes your Gantt chart an accurate reflection of your project. Once your data is in place, it's time to customize and make it visually appealing. You have the freedom to change the colors of the taskbars to enhance clarity or match your brand's theme. For added detail, consider adding data labels to show the exact duration of tasks or the specific start dates. This not only increases the readability of your chart, but makes it highly informative at a glance. As you customize, take the opportunity to declutter your chart by removing any unnecessary elements such as legends or grid lines that don't add value to your presentation. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created a Gantt chart within PowerPoint that's ready to illustrate your project's timeline. With this visual tool, you can efficiently showcase your project tasks, making it easier to manage deadlines and resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough on building a Gantt chart empowers you in organizing and presenting your next project.